Rere thirikari itanyite kugacirithia itugi iria hamwe na kugacirithia ruhonge rwa iganda ugima wa mwiri cikaro gukinyaniria kuri ya Kenya othe undu umwe na kuhurana na ng'aragu hari bata honge ciothe cia thirikari kunyitanira hari gutigirira Mukenya ni acenjia muikarira wake kuringana na muikariri giti wa kibururi wa ruhonge rwa kuramata thuguri na iganda rwa KNCCI Kiprono Kitonyi itugi ici ingikinyaniria o riria onjoria nini na nene magikuruhanio.
Let's get representation from the Jua Kali. We have Mr. Kalomba here. Let's get representation from the MSME. Mr. Muteti is here. We have companies in here that are also, putting forward a lot of contrarian thinking around how we can industrialize our country without following the traditional path from the Industrial Revolution to date.
Ningĩ Kitonyi ni augite ruhonge rwa KNCCI guthondeka kamiti ya andu 50 aria megukorwo magiuka na mubango wa uria ruhonge ruru runginyitirira thirikari na uguo kuhea Kenya miturire miega.
We decided with Countable to start a series of conversations that will help the private sector not just in Nairobi but across the country, because we are mandated in all 47 counties to really get to understand what opportunities reside in the Big Four agenda.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya iganda Betty Maina ni augite niguo kuhura njeki ruhonge rwa iganda thirikari ni guthii na mbere gutigirira indo ciothe cia magendo itinaingira thoko-ini ya guku bururi-ini.
The last PRT in the first one of this year in May, there's been a lot of concerted action on ensuring that there is hygiene, working up the hygiene of the supply chain.
Bara ya kuhurana na indo cia ngungwe ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere ni thirikari niguo kugitira onjoria ya guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha metha ya onjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.